Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Ella Dishes It Out. Today we're going to be making some delicious pasta salad, pasta and shrimp salad. All right, so here are the ingredients that we're going to be using. Okay, I've already cooked my pasta right here. It's ready. We're going to be using some celery, 1/2 cup of celery, 2 tablespoons of red onions. We're going to cook our shrimp in some butter, 2 tablespoons of butter. We're going to be using some dill in the salad dressing. We're going to be using some onion powder. We're going to be using garlic powder. We're going to be using smoked paprika to give it a good smoky taste. We're going to be using mayonnaise. We're going to be using Tony Chachere's or any Cajun seasoning that you prefer. We're going to be using some Dijon mustard. So we're going to mix all of that together. But first, we have to cook our shrimp. So let's get started with that. Turn the oven on, the stove on. Butter melt. Then we're going to cook the shrimp. So I'm going to go ahead and season the shrimp a little bit. I'm going to put a little salt and pepper on the shrimp as well. That Cajun seasoning always makes me cough. A little bit of salt. Where's my pepper? A little bit of pepper. Okay, stir that up. Give that a little whirl. All right, we're ready to cook this shrimp. Some people put raw shrimp in their salad, but I don't do that. I don't do raw shrimp. I like it cooked a little bit. We're gonna cook this shrimp up and we'll be back. Okay, the shrimp are done. It's done. I poured off the excess water that was in the pan. So now we're ready to build our salad. Okay, so here is the pasta. Trying to move it in the view of the camera. Here's the pasta. Get my angles correct. Okay, got the pasta right here. I'm going to go ahead and pour the shrimp in there. Okay, now we're going to start putting our ingredients. We're going to add our celery. We're going to add our red onions. That's going to give it an extra flavor and oomph to it. And then the next day is even better. We're going to stir this together. I should have had a bigger bowl. Okay. Now we're going to add our dry ingredients. We're going to add our dill. I'm just going to put a little dill on the top when I'm done. We're going to add our onion powder, about a tablespoon of onion powder. We're going to add our garlic powder, about a tablespoon of garlic powder. Okay, I'm just eyeballing it. And we're going to add paprika at the end. And we're going to add just a little bit more of Cajun seasoning mix, because we're going to add some more of that at the end. Now, our wet ingredients. We're going to add Dijon mustard, about 4 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. And we're going to add our mayo. So I need a spoon for this. Let me grab my spoon. Okay, just grab you. We're going to add about 2 cups of mayo. I'm going to start out with 1 cup and see how that goes, because this bowl is really, really full. I'm just going to keep stirring. Keep stirring. The shrimp is falling out. The celery is falling out. Everything's falling out. But this salad is very good cold. It's good warm too, but it's best to refrigerate it for, if you can't refrigerate it overnight, refrigerate it for a couple of hours. Do not leave it out. If you're out at a picnic or something, do not leave it sitting out. You need to sit it in a cooler or sit it in a bowl of ice under a bowl, you know, like an ice bath. Put a larger bowl of ice and set this on top of that. All right, so I think we're gonna need some more mayo. So I'm gonna add some more mayo because I like mine really creamy. Really creamy. I've been going through this mayo this week. Making sandwiches and turkey salad and all those yummy things. Okay. All that mayonnaise. That's some sweet mayonnaise. That tastes good. That's Miracle Whip. Some people say use Hellman's, but I love my sweet mayonnaise. You can use whatever mayonnaise you like. Whatever mayonnaise you like, whatever brand you like. I'm not promoting any brand at all. Now let's dig deep, because I see there's some pasta that hasn't been touched at the bottom. So we're gonna go to the bottom and go up. We're just gonna stir. I think all of it's been touched now. I can't wait to taste this tomorrow. It's gonna be so good. Okay, so now I'm just gonna flatten this out. But I'm about to taste some before I put my final toppings on it. Grab the spoon. Try to get a spoonful of a little bit of everything. The pasta, the celery, the onions. A little bit of everything. I should have put some eggs in here. That would have been good too. Très delicious. So good. You guys have to try this recipe. It's on my channel, Ella Dishes It Out. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Put some smoked paprika on top of it. Oh, that's pretty. So pretty. All right. Put a little bit more dill on there. Give it a little greenery. Already got some greenery with the pasta, but. All right. Thank you guys for tuning in. Bon appetit.